Hi guys, I'm Timidayo. Welcome to another episode of KOKO Street. Today we want to hit the streets to find out the opinion of people on what they feel about the newly designed Naira note. Does it increase the value of the Naira note or the value remains the same? And some people are also of the opinion that the Naira note is a Snapchatted version of the old one. We want to find out what they think today. What do you think about the newly designed Naira notes? Is it a Snapchatted version of the old one or filtered? Have you seen it?
I don't even want to know. Just that it should come to my hand, understand? It should come my hand. If you like, make it be like gold. If you like, maybe like silver. So if it come my hand, that's the main thing.
The new designer is a very beautiful designer.
So do you feel the new Naira notes will increase the value of the Naira? You know, recently they said Naira has depreciated and all of that.
Yes.
Do you feel it will increase the value?
Yes, it will increase the value.
It is a good idea because of the corruption going on in our country.
How?
Because if the changing of currency will bring about diminution of money that people have been stole all these days.
So do you feel the new design would increase the value of the Naira or the value remains the same?
The value will still remain the same except the economic of the country grows up. Because the changing of money doesn't determine changing of economy. Because no country in the world that is being laid by money except an economy.
I don't like the design because even as they have redesigned the Naira notes, the colors, I don't like it. The color look childish. In fact, it's confused. The people that design, they are very confused. And two, if you look at the new Naira note, it's not that they add any value to it. There is no value to the Naira. It's still the same thing. So the idea at all, I don't like it.
Have you seen the new Naira note?
Yes, I have.
Okay, so what do you feel about it?
What I feel is that the country is very confused, number one. I'm so sorry, Mr. President. The country is confused because if they really have plans for this country, they won't change the country's money. Like the color, what they just changed there is the saturation. Changing, I think the 1,000 Naira is blue, the 500 Naira is now green, which was the former 200 Naira. Then the 200 Naira is now red. The country, I don't just know how to put it, but to me, the country is confused. I'm not in support of the money. I'm not in support of the money. If there is anything that we really want to improve, is they should really work on themselves, like the people ruling us. They should create jobs for the youth. Our educational sector, presently, we don't even know where we are. Strike, no strike, on, no on. Everybody's angry, hungry, and that's just what I have to say. Okay.
So do you think this new design would impact the value of the Naira?
To me, what impact is it going to give?
You know, some people said the new design will actually increase the value of the Naira note.
No. It will not increase the value of the Naira note. It will not, because what Mr. President is meant to do, that's if he's in charge of this, is he should work on the agricultural sector, which will make our money more valuable. Because now 500 Naira now, a normal youth can use 500 Naira to cater for himself. Like before, when things were still good, where we can use 500 Naira to eat and do other things. But now I think the same value on the old 500 Naira is still the same value on the new 500 Naira, which is madness. They should not change it. That if they've changed it already, fine.
You can imagine someone saying that the new design of the Naira note will add value to the Nigerian Naira. Thanks for watching.